myself, we have just filed our nomination papers before the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Sudhir Kerkar. He has scrutinized the form and has given us the receipt. Now, the election is tomorrow at 10:30 for the posts of Mayor and Deputy Mayor. Both have, on behalf of the Babush Musarat panel.
At till 11:30, I have received two nomination from Mr. Suren Furtado for the post of mayor, and two nominations from Mrs. Lata Parekh for the post of deputy mayor. So as of now, only two from Mr. Furtado for mayor post and two from Mrs. Lata Parekh for deputy mayor. So tomorrow is the election. Before that, आम्ही तांकां swearing दिता. There is amendment in the rules. So तांकां swearing आसतली पयली. Swearing जाल्यार उपरांत मागीर election.